have it Bangladeshi style aloo bhorta, and it's so easy to make. It only takes 5 ingredients. After you're done washing and peeling your potatoes, I want you to boil them or steam them. While our potatoes are boiling, I want you to chop and peel 4 shallots. After you're done wiping those scales with these shallots gave you, I want you to grab a handful of cilantro and chop them. Which are chilies. You can use both dried red chili, of course fry them, or as I'm using here, green chili. But please don't use chili flakes. So these are for pasta, not for bhorta. Please. After you're done preparing your ingredients, I want you to bring the last 2 important ingredients of this dish. One of which is table salt. This is regular table salt, not rock salt. In here, Bangladesh, we like to dry roast or fry our salt for some reason. I don't know why, but it looks good. So here. And the last ingredient, which is the olive oil of the Bengalis, sorisha tel. This is a must for any kind of bhorta. If you don't have this, just go buy it. We love this. Any Bengali dish is incomplete without sorisha tel. After your potatoes are boiled, I want you to wash your hands first and then bring those to the plate. After you're done with all that, I want you to mash these potatoes with a fork or your bare hands. After you're done resting with these potatoes, I want you to get your hand dirty. Of course, it's a Bengali dish. You need to get your hand dirty and incorporate all the ingredients, including the mustard oil. After you're done with your aloo bhorta, I want you to get a plate of steaming hot rice and serve the bhorta over the rice. You can even pour just a little bit of mustard oil over the rice. Let's begin. Just definitely tastes like home.